My legs are 51 inches long. I believe I can keep the record for America's longest legs.
Chase Kennedy, a 22-year-old student and model, thinks she can claim the title of America's longest legs from Holly Burt.
When I saw Holly's video, I was kind of bummed because I thought maybe, oh, her legs are longer than mine and I'll never get the title, but then I measured myself and found out I'm actually longer than Holly's legs.
Her legs measure 51 inches from hip to floor, and incredibly, she already knows Lauren Williams, the model who Holly took the title from. But Chase doesn't think her claim will affect their friendship.
Lauren and I are kind of competitive, but not really. I feel like we're more encouraging of each other. I've always been tall. I mean, when I was younger, I was always taller than everyone, so I've always just kind of been tall since I was little, and growing up, always taller than the guys.
And I would hold her, and her legs would just flop. They just hang.
Chase is 6'5" and has 51-inch legs. Unsurprisingly, she comes from a tall family. Her dad Matthew is 6'7". Her two brothers are 6'5" and 6'6", and the shortest is Mum Chris. Even she is 5'11".
Being a tall family is definitely different, just because if we go to like lunch or something and you're sitting at a table and you happen to hit knees sometimes, or if you're going to a movie theater and you're sitting down and we all take up one row, we kind of create a wall. When I was younger, I wish I was smaller just so I can blend in, because when you're standing out, it's kind of hard to feel like you belong, but as I've grown older, I feel like it's better. It became like who I am. It became an asset with sports, so like volleyball and basketball I played in high school, and it definitely helped like when you're getting picked for a team or something. I mean, those sports, you always want the taller person.
I mean, people have always asked us, wasn't it hard for Chase being tall? But my response is she's always been so tall, so I don't think she was ever, abused or ridiculed because of her height, and I think it gave her a lot of confidence as she was growing up.
Chase was initially turned down by many modelling agencies for being too tall, but she's managed to build her career over the last 3 years.
Yeah, I appeared in a Lady Gaga video. It was at the Hearst Castle, which is kind of local near here, so that was a pretty rad experience.
Chase always knew her legs were long, but it wasn't until she watched Barcroft TV's video about Holly Burt that she decided to measure her limbs.
When I first saw it, I was like, wow, her legs are very long, and then I was trying to think, like, are my legs longer than that? But then I measured myself and found out I'm actually longer than Holly's legs.
Her legs are 1.5 inches longer than Holly's, and a full 2 inches longer than Lauren Williams.
Yeah, my friendship with Lauren Williams, I've worked with her multiple times before with modeling in LA and such, and we have gone up against each other with our legs too. Lauren and I are kind of competitive, but not really. I feel like we're more encouraging of each other.
I wouldn't like to have legs that long because it would throw me off, because I've always been short and I wouldn't know what it's like to be that tall. Might throw off my balance.
I mean, if I had the chance to have legs that long, I would probably want to have long legs. They're crazy.
I would not change my height. I would be the height I am, because I'm just so used to it, and I thought about, okay, if I was shorter, would I like it more? And at the end of the day, I'm really happy to be as tall as I am.
Chase believes she can keep the record for America's longest legs. Will there be anyone to challenge her?